Mamang Chahiga November Tang Tarani Thoida, Chief Minister Secretariat Pang Tokiba Akanaba Tahram Amada, Chief Minister Nong Thombam Biren Singa, State Asiki Oinasu, Oil Palm Project Hogdokre. Mamang Chahi July Kulumdoida online the Pang Tokiba Manipur Water Supply Project, Urep Uyung Tambagi Tauramda, Lebak Sigi Prime Minister Narendra Modi na, India the Zapa Konanaba, Satau Putopa, Ngamnabagi Damak, Awang Poki State Chingda, Oil Palm, Kona Pambi, Hanabagi Wapam, Hudokiba, Amasung, Oil Palm is hunting Kanaba recommend Okiba Matung Inna, Manipur Sarkana State Azidasu Oil Palm Project by Kanaba Tabak, Lokatpa, Haurakibani. Central Sector Scheme Ama Oiriba National Food Security Mission Oil Palm Makada Paikatpa Project Asi Mizoram Nagaland Arunachal Pradesh na Chingbadadi Hanan Hokrabani Manipur da project asi Paikan Abalokatpa Ihan Hanbak Hongtang Oina Mamang Zahi Agas Kunda Oil Palm Mission Manipur Same Key Agriculture Department ki Joint Director na Mission Director Oiba Mission Asida Technical Staff Ahum Amasung Consultant Ama Member Oina Yauri Mission Semla Mamatungda Oil Palm Pambi Habaga Mari Lainana Awang Bathaki Oiba Mipam Ama Kumjali Singani Kungi September Tang Anida Chief Minister Secretary at Ki Cabinet Holder Chief Minister na Chair Lauduna Pangthoki Mipamadu the Lokibo Warep ki Matung Ina Subcommittee Amazai Hedugi September Tareta Semki Principal Secretary Agriculture na Chairman Oiba Subcommittee Aduda Central Agricultural University ki Vice Chancellor ICAR ki Joint Director Amasung Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center ki Director na Member Oina Yauri Subcommittee Semlaba Matungda Oil Palm Pambi Sing Thanabagi Thabak Sing Mathang Lokhatpa Haurakibani Mamang Chahi Augusta dagi October Thap Hawada online training sing Pangthokre training sing aduda ICAR Oil Palm Mission Mizoram Amasung CAU Imphal gi Makhada Pasigata Laiba CHF ki scientist singa resource scientist oiduna takbi tambi ki Masigi Sumathakda Lam Hector Sino Dasmik Ani Mangada Adaptive Trial su Pangthokre Adaptive Trial adu tongan mapang kuni thoida pangthokibani Adaptive Trial da MS Godrej Agrovet Scholarship Mizoram dagi purakpa oil palm char sing thaki loinana Department of Agriculture Manipur gi makhada KVK Thawalna oil palm India dagi lauba maton thoklaba maru singna lam hector chani da nursery sing sembasu laikre Mamangi Jahida, Chief Minister na Haudokiba Oil Palm Project Manipur gi Makhada, Imphal West, Bishnupur, Chandel, Ukhrul Amasung, Churachandpur District ki lam hector dising humputaru, Chatruk Yankahini Thoida, Chahi Kuina Punchiba Oil Palm Pambi Sing Thanaba Pandam Thamli. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare na Hokiba English Singani Tarani Thoida Semkiba Assessment Committee na Manipur gi oina oil palm thanabagi chunabam mafam amata recommend tawramde adubu English Singani Tarama Panda Semkiba Reassessment Committee na di hectare lising humputaruk chatruk yankahini thoi recommend tawrakpaga loina na palm oil project Manipur gi makhada lam hectare lising humputaruk chatruk yankahini thoida oil palm pambi sing thanaba thabak lokhalakpani Reassessment Committee na recommend tawriba si Imphal West District ta hectare lising tara mari chama tara taru Thawal District ta hectare lising tara nipan chamri humphudra manga Bishnupur District ta hectare lising tara chauhum marfumapan Churachandpur District ta hectare lising tara mathoi chatuk humphuni thoi Chandel District ta hectare lising taru chanipan chupna ahum amasung Ukhrul District ta hectare lising mari chanipan chupna nipani Zaliba Senba Chahi lising ani kunathoi kuni thoida hectare lising mangada thanaba pandam thamli Awang Nongpoki State Chingda Oil Palm Thanabagi Matangda Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare gi Joint Secretary Oil Sitna Chair Lauduna Pangthokiba Video Conference Meeting Amada Manipur da English Singani Kunmathoi lising ani kunmari kunmanga phawada lam hectare lising kunda oil palm pambi la kuntra thanaba lepna khibani English Singani Kunmathhoida Pambi lising kuntra taruk tharaga matung tarakpa chahi singda chahi kutingi lam hectare lising manga da lakh tare lising yankhai thagadabani mamang chahi bahawada Bharat Sarkarna Manipur da oil palm pambi sing thanabaga mari leinana lupa lakh kuntra ge senpham ama thadorakhibasu leire Amaromda oil palm project paikhatpa state chingna hojik chatnariba protocol gi matung ina production processing amasung marketing gi thabak sing regulate tawnaba ek ama semna bagidama hadak phamkhiba Manipur Legislative Assembly gi budget miphamda the Manipur Oil Palm Regulation of Production and Processing Bill lising ani kunmathoi pass tawbasu leikre ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯂꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯁꯦꯟꯊꯣꯛ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯕꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯜ ꯄꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯟꯈꯠꯄꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ꯫ ꯄꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤ ꯊꯥꯕꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯀꯥꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤ ꯊꯥꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯓꯨꯝ ꯀꯜꯇꯤꯚꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯓꯨꯃꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯍꯦꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯩ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ꯫ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯃꯤꯠꯂꯣꯟ ꯐꯒꯠꯍꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯍꯤꯔꯝ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯐꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯂꯩ꯫